Today we're gonna build a crystal growing lab from the sea. And I'm gonna show you how you do it. You have to be very careful. And with help with your parents. I'm gonna stop doing that pirate voice. So first you need to like squish it like softly and stuff. Yeah. Okay, and then you cut this. If you're, don't cut your fingers. Mama, can you help me? Oh, we got it from National Geographic, and then you pour
the growing powder.
You put this powder in like a measuring cup, and then I think.
Or in the chamber. The chamber has a line that you can pull with.
Yeah.
What do you do first?
You boil it for like 220 Fahrenheit, and then you have to wait until it gets to 220 Fahrenheit, and you have to be very careful because it's gonna be very hot.
Okay. I'm gonna do the water, the hot, really hot water. So you use a kettle, kettle, and you're gonna fill it up to the line where it says full. So it's very easy to do. Now be very careful. This is the powder. Very good. Once you're done, you separate that here. So the set comes with a wooden spoon, and then you're gonna hold it with one. It's hot.
That's hot.
Okay, I'll hold it for you.
And then you just like dissolve it.
Just be very careful. Just do it until the powder is completely dissolved.
Yeah.
You kind of feel it, and you can see it on the outside, the powder. Once it's dissolved, you won't see it anymore. It kind of looks like whitish color.
Scissors, be very careful because it's really sharp. I don't want to cut anybody. Do not.
So now it's really dissolved. You don't see the powder.
And then you cut this thing.
And then you're gonna put the
seed rock there, and it has to be
all the way to the bottom.
All the way in the bottom, like in the same place.
Okay. So
do you see it?
We're making sure. We need to make sure it's in the. So get the flashlight with it so we can see
the
it.
Flashlight?
Yeah, so we can see that it's in the center. So once it's done, you're gonna put it in a safe place, right?
Yeah.
Let me put it back since it's hot. I'm gonna do it for you.
You have to put it in a safe place and wait for 7
And
days.
it could be like kind of a dark place.
And then with your flashlight, you can see like the crystal is growing. But you have to wait for 7 days.
Okay, we're gonna put it there. Nobody will touch there, and we'll follow every day how the crystals are growing. We can see with the flashlight as they grow.
So, me, Timbers, William the Pirate, Mama Mia the Pirate, just finished doing their crystal digs. Now we're gonna see how they grew, but we couldn't really see the purple one. I don't know why, but it's too dark. But, so we're gonna get the crystals out. This time I'm gonna pour the liquid out first. There we go. It's gonna be covered. Oh my god, it's not covered. What is that? That's not covered in the middle. So we go to the middle. You want model. You want to put it out. I don't want this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And I'm back with these. So you can put the crystals you made in here. And you plug it inside the computer. And then if you turn this on, it glows. So that's how it looks like when you put it there and it glows. It's really cool. I'll put the purple one in there. And then the green one. Really nice. this to not to do. Okay, I can't even get words right. To not miss any video of William Master 646, and we're going.